version of the blaster beam. I've been fascinated by the types of sounds that this instrument can make, really for one reason: 1979's Star Trek the Motion Picture. What an incredible soundtrack, super original use of what was then an almost unknown instrument, the blaster beam. Now my version is, of course, totally not the real thing. It's a cheap replica made of gorgeous tone wood that was salvaged out of an old bed frame, and some metal parts that I bought at a local hardware store, and a big ass spring, a couple of screws, and then the pickup, which is basically a contact pickup of the type that you could stick to the top of any acoustic instrument, like an acoustic guitar, a mandolin, or a violin. Those elements together, a drumstick and a little bit of craziness, gets you that distinctive Vejur sound. Hope you thought that was cool.